dream should come true or would turn into a nightmare.
Let's hope that the university focuses on all these matters and gives out results on time.
Against terrorism and place terror on the map.
कैमरा
This
पर्सन
is
विवेक के
cameraman
साथ
Vivek,
मैं
Palani
विकास दुबे,
Chauhan,
MRC मुंबई।
Mumbai is famous for its various Ganpati pandals during Ganesh Utsav, and every pandal tries to make something unique and different. One such among them is Andheri Cha Raja.
Lakhs of devotees visit Andheri Cha Raja every year. This time they are celebrating their 50 years. So to make it more special, they have made replica of Ambaji Dham, which is situated in Gujarat, which is also one of the Shakti Peeth in India.
It is said that Sri Arasuri Ambaji Mata temple is the origin of supreme cosmic power of the universe. This time Andheri Cha Raja is standing tall inside this Ambaji temple. This temple consists of beautiful architecture with pure white painting.
अंधेरी का राजा का जो डेकोरेशंस है वो पूरा क्योंकि जो देश का कोने कोने का एक खूबसूरत मंदिर हर साल हम लोग यहाँ पर बनाते उस और हर साल हम लोग वो अंदर का जो डेकोरेशन है वही दिखाते थे और ये बार जो है डेकोरेशन अंदर और बाहर दोनों पूरा रिप्लिका ही टोटल बनाया.
The Mandal people has tried their best to make people have exact feeling of original Ambaji temple. It took 2 months to complete the entire temple. The material used is fiber and metal so that the interior can be reused and no harm is caused to environment. This temple consists of many chandeliers and one big dome.
अंधेरीच्या एवढं वाढत चाललं आहे आता दिवस बाय दिवस आणि हे 50वा वर्ष उजवतात आणि डेकोरेशन आम्हाला एवढं शांती वाटते इकडे येऊन आणि देवाची खरोखर इकडे अशी श्रद्धा लोकांना मध्ये बसले आहेत की लोक इकडे येतात आपला नवसा सांगतात आणि जो मनोकामना बोलते हैं सबकी मनोकामना पूर्ण करते हैं.
Not only the beautiful decoration, but also people's faith in Bappa attracts more and more devotees every year. This year, people have showered immense love by offering golden mukut embellished with diamond, and also one of the devotee offered besan ka laddu weighing 8,645 kgs, which is also one of the favorite appetite of Bappa, specially crafted by Master Chef Sanjeev Kapoor.
पिछले 3-4 सालों से ही इच्छा थी कि 50वें साल में हम अंधेरी के राजा को स्वर्ण मुकुट पहनाएंगे. इसके पहले हमारे पास चांदी का मुकुट था.
ये लड्डू गिनीज बुक में आने वाला है और ये सब अभी ये जो भी लड्डू अभी बनाए वो पूरे हम भक्तगण को अभी ये प्रसाद भर के बांटने वाले हैं.
Leaving you behind with this mesmerizing beauty and to take blessings of Bappa with his Aarti. With camera person Rajendra, I'm Nisha Jha from MRSC Mumbai.
I think because of the delay of results in general, not just in Mumbai University but everywhere, personally we all go through a lot of stress, and I personally had sleepless nights waiting for my 12th standard result. So it's really terrible.
Due to the delay of the results by Mumbai University, as you're promoted to next standard and you start studying, the issue is then later on you come to know that you're not cleared all the subjects.
और ये जो रिज़ल्ट जो लेट निकलते हैं उसका कारण ये हो सकता है कि उनके पास स्टाफ भी कम हो सकता है और बच्चे लोग ज़्यादा बढ़ गए तो उसके पेपर भी ज़्यादा हो सकते हैं.
I think it is the committee members, the board, like the teachers who selected, because well, it's just the papers, they are there, they are with you and you have to just correct them. Yeah, it takes a while and there is too many papers, but that's what you're there for, like do your job.
This year the results have been delayed already and it has really affected people because they wanted to start like career in LLB or something, so it really affected them, so they won't be able to continue their career with this, so like they'll have to wait a year.
The problem which I have faced is I am outsider, I am not from Mumbai, so I came here to pursue my graduation. After completing my graduation, I was told that the result would come within this specific period of time, that kept on postponed. So we have to face a lot of difficulty, as we know that Mumbai is not a place where we can stay.
कोई भी अगर जॉब के लिए अप्लाई करता है तो कर नहीं पाता है डिले होने की वजह से, या कोई कोर्स करना होता है तो उसके लिए भी वो डिले हो जाता है, डेट चली जाती है और फिर वो उसका करियर मतलब कहीं ना कहीं रुक जाता है।
यूनिवर्सिटी का जो रिज़ल्ट निकलता है और रिज़ल्ट लेट निकलता है, उसकी वजह से बच्चे प्रॉब्लम आके जो है वो टेंशन में आके सुसाइड कर लेते हैं।
Mostly what I see in my view is that is totally a negligence on the part of the administration of the university. Now students with the hope of that the exams will be conducted at the month of March end or the April. The same is not conducted at the relevant time, which the delay in the result is declared. Therefore the students suffer a lot.
बच्चे लोगों का जो रिज़ल्ट आता है उसके लिए गवर्नमेंट जिम्मेदार है, और रिज़ल्ट लेट होने की वजह से बच्चे लोगों के दिमाग की मानसिकता बहुत परेशानी होती है उन लोगों, क्योंकि उन लोग जब तक रिज़ल्ट नहीं आवे तब तक उन लोगों को सुकून नहीं होता है कब रिज़ल्ट आएगा करके।
We shall give them a benefit of doubt that might be there must be less teachers or staff in compared to the number of students, so there must be some delay.
We have appeared for the exams and we are waiting for the results to come out, but since we don't get the results, so we just lose our opportunities.
Results are essential part of all students' life. After all, it's related to their future career. Some students are not affected, but some suffer a loss of 1 year. Let's hope that Mumbai University focuses on all these matters and gives out results on time. With camera person Vivek, I'm Nisha Jha from MRSC Mumbai.